What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to name these chemicals and how to find out the molecular weight or molar mass of this chemical. It's CeNO3 3. This element is cerium, and here we are dealing with polyatomic ion NO3. That's nitrate. So we have NO3 minus, cerium is Se3 plus because the 3 in here. So we call it cerium 3 nitrate. Why we need to put 3 here? Because cerium has 2 oxidation states. One of them is 3 plus, one of them is 4 plus. So we have it in 2 different oxidation numbers. Now let's find out the molar mass of cerium nitrate. We need to find out the atomic mass of each of the elements using the periodic table. The atomic mass of cerium is 140.12. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14.007. Atomic mass for oxygen is 15.999. So now we need to count how many from each element we have. We have 1 cerium, 140.12, plus we have 3 nitrogen, 3 times 14.007, plus 9 times 15.999. Now you need to calculate it. That's gonna be 326.132 grams per mole. That's the unit for molar mass, grams per mole, or you can say even milligram per millimole, but grams per mole is more common. So that's the molar mass or molecular mass of cerium nitrate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.